this collection is just outstanding.
This was the first place that I went in Seattle. It was very exciting to just walk through the door and be in this alternate universe.
It's not the kind of museum where everything is behind glass. Our visitors will get to stand in front of these machines and interact with them and see them work in a very real, very physical way. For many of our artifacts, this is the only place in the world you can see them.
People have never seen anything like this, unless you worked for the phone company.
Main thing that I like to show to visitors is that we can operate things, flip switches, dial telephones, make noise, push all the buttons that we can.
Here, you really get to have a first-hand experience with this collection.
The museum was founded in the early 1980s by two executives from Pacific Northwest Bell. They wanted to preserve many of the artifacts that we have here in the museum now before they all went off to the junkyard. And everything that's in the museum was brought here from another site, every last bit of it. Initially, of course, the volunteers who staffed this museum were Bell System employees. There are very few of them still around, sadly. But the good thing is that this museum has attracted people from the technology community, many of them much younger than me. And those people have learned all of this old obsolete technology, learned how to maintain it, learned how to upgrade it and to keep it running.
This is a rigging machine that we have just recently got working.
One Sunday at 10 a.m., I came by and all the old guys were in the lunchroom having donuts and coffee. And they just said, "Hey, you want some coffee? Sit down." And it kind of just felt like this is where I belong. My primary role is keeping the large switching machines running. They need constant maintenance and constant care. So I adjust, I fix things, I oil things, and just fix problems as they come up. I spent the first 5 years of volunteering here restoring and rebuilding this machine so that it could do as much as it possibly can. My secret skill is that I am a machines whisperer. There we go. Okay, it's calmer now.
I basically worked on a lot of the different switching machines here.
This is the number 3 electronic switching system. Me and a colleague made it run. It wasn't running when I first got here at all.
All of our cassettes have failed, and you can't get new ones.
So we managed to extract the data, build a replacement emulator.
And so the data that's on a tape is now on an SD card.
And so now we have it making calls and actually running and back to life.
Debugging and troubleshooting things when they're not working.
Anything? Nothing. Okay.
I am the museum's current curator, self-appointed.
This is, I think, one of my favorites. I like the train.
I scan documents, I reshelve the books, I organize, and I spend a lot of time finding things and then presenting it to the other members of the museum so they can see the cool stuff that we have. A lot of it is sorting through the banker's boxes of who knows what and figuring out what exactly. The ability to pick any random thing off the shelf and be extremely excited about it.
We have a great apron from the phone center store. It's got a nice pocket for, I don't know, whatever you would need to keep in there.
So I maintain the step-by-step system and do other random projects around the museum as time permits. There's often a project I want to do, so I'll come in, find the tools I need, and start working on it. Otherwise, I'll go find another volunteer, usually Sarah, and tag along with whatever projects I can help out there. These are the people I want to spend the time with. I'm doing something that makes me happy, makes everyone around me happy. Great. Thanks. I kind of figure if it's not being used, then it's not really that much help to anybody.
I hope that we can continue to foster a really good culture here for both our guests and our volunteers. And I hope we can bring this history to a younger generation.
I don't know of anywhere else like this.